After pressing the cleaning button, the unit emits to beeps but does not respond further. This could indicate an issue with the cat sensor. Solution: remove the two screws on the upper and lower sides of the side cover. Then use a flat blade screwdriver to pry off the side cover. And the 8 screws on the main motor. Press the cleaning button to move the rake to the middle position and power off the machine. Loosen the screws on the rake shaft. Take out the main motor and the cat sensor screws. Replace the old sensor with a new one. Reinstall all the screws, then press the cleaning button to test if the machine operates normally. If there's no response after pressing the cleaning button, and both the first button and the clock lights are not on, please follow these steps. First, check if the pedal is fully extended. If not, you can lift the upper part slightly to make it easier to pull out the pedal. You should hear a beep sound when it is fully extended. Next, please make sure the magnet is in place.